Hey guys, and welcome to my newest tutorial. In today's video we're gonna talk about how you can basically change the logo in header on your home page and to whatever logo you want, basically any picture, anything. So what you're gonna do is on the left hand side we're gonna go to appearances. You're gonna hover over that and we're gonna click on editor. Left click on that. Wait for it to load. And after it loads we're gonna go to pages, which is in the middle. Left click on that, and then we're gonna wait for it to load and we're gonna left click on home page. So let's see, just a second, let's do that again. Just a second. So here, after it loads, we're gonna click on blog home. Left click on that, and in the bottom we should see areas, so header, post meta, and footer. We're gonna go with header. Left click on that, and here is our header picture right here. Left click on that picture, and as you can see it's very bad. We're gonna click on left click on replace, and we're gonna click on open media library. So I'm gonna actually upload the file. So it should be this one right here. So this is our header. We're gonna select it and click on select, and as you can see we have our header right here. So we're gonna left click on save. You can actually do whatever you want with this header. You can basically lock it, create a template part, you can create a pattern, you can move it, you can basically crop it. You can change the size of it, so whatever you want basically. So let's say we want it to be like this. We click on apply and there it is. After it loads it's just gonna be a block of header in the middle basically. So after it loads we're gonna click on save and we're gonna click on save again. That's it basically. The site's updated. So now if we try to go to the dashboard and then click on visit site, which is right here, we have our header right here, which is very ugly, but it doesn't matter. It's basically our header. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope that guys helped you and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.